कैसे हैं आप लोग? I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Coding by Fun, and let's get started. So today's question is Pythagorean triplet. So let's see what is it is. And given an array of integers, write a function that returns true if there is a triplet ABC that satisfies a square plus b square equals to c square. So let's see the example first. So we have example of 5 integers of an array, and they have given like a equal to 3, b equals to 4, and c equals to 5. Yes, a square, that is 9, plus b square, that is 16, is equals to c square, that is 25, right? So we have a triplet, so we have to print yes. So if there is a triplet, Pythagorean triplet, then we have to print yes, otherwise we have to print no, right? So let's see the concept first, then we will implement it, right? So they have given an array of, let's say they have given an array, and I have 1, 5, 3 and 4, let's say. So first of all I have to sort this array. Now I am sorting it 1, 3, 4, 5, and I will update each value with its square. That is, square of 1 is 1, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, and 25, right? And similarly we have solved a question of finding the number of triplets. Now this question became the same as the finding triplets. So what we have done in that question, we are executing that array from the backside, that is I is pointing to this one, k is pointing to this one, and j is pointing to this. Means j will point initially to 0, k will point initially to I minus 1, and I is pointing to the last one. And there is a for loop for I. It will decrement, we will decrement I every time, right? And for every I, we will check if j plus k, that is a of j plus a of k, is equals to a of I. If we found something like a of j plus a of k is equal to a of I, then we will simply return true, because they have said like if you find such a triplet, Pythagorean triplet, then you have to return true, or you can print yes, right? So I will check I, j plus k, 16 plus 17 is not equals to 25, right? If it is less than a of I, then I will just increment j, otherwise I will decrement k. So it is less than, so I will just increment j. Now 9 plus 16 is 25, so we will return 2, otherwise similarly we follow this approach, right? So let's see the code part now. I am using it. So for the code part, we have to take n as an input, and taking an array of n integers from users, right? Now what I have to do, first of all I want to sort the array, right? Now let's say I am making another function and making a condition like if, let's say the new function is check, and passing array and the size of the array. If there is any polygon triplet, then I will simply see out yes, otherwise I will simply print no, right? And end of the line. So let's make another function of type bool and check function, where I am taking array as an parameter and also n, right? So what I will do initially, I am updating the array with its square of elements, right? A of I is equals to A of I multiplied by A of I. So I'm updating the array with its element its square. Now I'm accessing that array again, and every time the j will initially point to 0 and its k is pointing to I minus 1 always. Now while j is less than k, we have to do this part. If a of j plus a of k is equals to a of I, then we will simply return true, right? And else if a of j plus a of k is less than a of I, then we will do j plus plus, else k minus minus, right? And if there is no any return of value, then we will simply return false at the end, right? So I think we have completed the program. Let's compile it to check we are passing the sample input case or not. So yes, we are printing yes for this test case, and let's submit it to check whether all the test cases we are passing or not. So yes, our code is accepted and we have passed all the test cases, right? So this was the question on Pythagorean triplets. And if you like this video, you can share with your friends. You can subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my next video. So that's all in this video. Tata, bye bye.